It's Yamaha Rider 03 here again. As you can tell by the way my hair looks, I just got done driving the moped. Well, it's pretty much done, but the front end I had on it, well, it was totally smashed, so I really don't have much of a front end on it. Or I don't have the side panel on it. But I was just driving it. Did pretty close to 50. It's too dark over that way. It's dark outside, so bear with me. Did pretty close to 50 miles an hour, but I'm gonna see if I can get it to start here for you guys. It's not the right Kickstarter, so it might be a minute to start it because it's hard. So I get that right. Alright, got it. But it runs great. And tomorrow I'm gonna put up a video of test driving it. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel and please rate and comment my videos. Thank you.